Chef David Rose back at it again, and today we're doing the following steps for our lemon ricotta pancakes. And with that, we're making a oh-so luscious blueberry bourbon maple syrup. That's right, you heard it here first. And that acidity and that tartness from the fruit and that sweetness is gonna pair awesomely with our lemon ricotta pancakes. You ready to jump in? Let's do it. First things first, bourbon. Smells good. A little bit of lemon juice, lemon zest. And what you want to do right now is you want to let that reduce down. You want to cook off the alcohol. At this point, we're just looking for that bourbon flavor, that bourbon essence, not so much the alcohol content of it, because the bourbon gives a nice woodiness, a nice char, a nice bitter sweet note. That's gonna pair very well with the lemon ricotta pancakes. So you let that reduce down for about a third. And today we're cooking on the induction stovetop. The brilliant thing about this induction stovetop is that it heats up quickly, and that's great because we're hungry, ready to eat. So you want to get this syrup done as quickly as possible. All right, so once that bourbon reduces down by a third of that lemon juice, you're gonna hit that with sugar. And we're gonna whisk that together and bring it back up to a boil. All right. Once that starts getting going, we have our blueberries here. I picked them this morning. I didn't. You'll never know. Put it right into the pan, like so. And you want to let the blueberries hang out and just kind of macerate inside that. Soak up all that bourbon deliciousness and the sugar. And you let that do its thing for a while. Okay. And once the blueberries begin to kind of plump up a bit, at that point, we want to add our maple syrup. None of that imitation stuff. We're talking about 100% maple syrup, except no exceptions. Like so. Into the pan. All right. And then you stir that together. And let it all come together. Again, quick recap in here. We have the bourbon, my favorite part, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, blueberries, and 100% maple syrup. And then from there, what you want to do is let the pan, let the blueberries, let all that deliciousness do its thing and reduce and turn into a glaze and get that syrup consistency that we're looking for. Because when you do that, the blueberries are going to impart all the flavors of that bourbon, all that maple syrup, that nice lemon zest, and that nice acidity from the lemon juice. And when you're done, you're going to have something that looks oh so delightful, which is that nice glaze, that nice syrup that nice syrup consistency you're looking for with your quality syrup. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to come back. I'm gonna cook off some lemon ricotta pancakes, put it all together with our syrup, and see how it all turns out. Stay tuned, guys.